strong trunk above the ground. I give you food, I give you fruit, I give you medicine, I give you woods. I need some sunlight and some fresh air. I need some water and your loving care and your loving